Okay, let's go to the action plan for AI tools. So here, separate the hype from reality. So leverage AI tools for repetitive tasks. That's something that we've seen is valuable. While maintaining human oversight for complex segmentations. I'll give you one example of a repetitive task that can have some merit for defining campaigns. If you have the notion of creating tasks or maybe even user stories for your campaigns, or you use a project management tool, you could create a template it could even be ChatGPT, but enter your GenAI tool of preference to always have that format. That's a very easy, repetitive time saver. We've seen customers too who use it to generate their first drafts for content, but of course I still edit it. Test AI models on smaller data sets and collaborate with vendors to ensure AI solutions can be customized. Prioritize data normalization and hygiene. This is not new, but it's become even more important because you can get more value out of it these days. So uniform naming conventions, deduplicated records, aligned taxonomy to ensure your data is standardized and free of inconsistencies. Monitor the AI landscape too for advancements and be prepared to iterate your strategies as tools evolve. I know this is hard too because so many tools, they're exploding, but a simple thing you can do today is next time you're using, again, maybe let's say ChatGPT, at the same time use Claude, at the same time use some of the other vendors to just all work on the same query, the same prompt. That's an easy copy paste, but you can very quickly compare results. And that gives you a good hunch about which of these, at least chat tools, work the very best. Of course, beyond that, there's many, many more tools. So to round up again with a quote from an interviewee, AI sounds great in theory, but in practice, we're still babysitting it to make sure it doesn't mess things up.